Hello, this is just a brief overview of your leadership development action plan template. Hopefully with some more ideas. This is Sandy, and I'm here to talk with you a little bit about your leadership development action plan. I'm going to give you a few hints on each of the sections. So let's get started. And the first thing I want you to look at is, as we go down here, the question of who are you. Make sure that what you do is provide some insights into yourself. This is for you. But the truth is that it's going to be seen by others, and that means you help to cultivate a strong relationship with someone the more they know you. So you're going to talk about your strengths, and then you're going to talk about what you might overuse and what you need to reconsider. So that's section 1. Section 2, personal mission statement. I gave you a great worksheet to help you develop, but I want you to remember the following. A life mission statement should have who you are, so the mission of, and you insert your name, is what you do, how you do it, and why. Those are vital elements of this process. That's what I want on the mission statement. The mission statement is not the same as your mission worksheet. Again, who you are, what you do, how you do it, and why. A value statement is what really makes the biggest sense for you. What is the things that matter most to you? This should be very helpful in terms of developing the next part. Notice the first 3 parts of this template are all about you as a person. The next 3 are you as a leader. Your personal leadership vision plan. Talk about what it would be to work for you. What are you like as a leader? When you foresee yourself, when you visualize yourself, remember, a vision is looking down the road. What do you see yourself being like as a leader? When you talk about your leadership competencies, we've been talking about the skills that people need to be a strong leader. What do you have? What are the strengths that you can bring to bear? And what might you want to really develop more? Your motivate. Why do you want to be a leader? Don't tell me you want to be a leader because you feel you can lead. That's ineffective and will not help you. What I want you to do is be really clear about this. What does motivate you? Why do you want to be a leader? Some people say they have a calling. Other people say that they feel that it's the best use of their skills. Remember, the first thing in this piece, part 4, was talking about what you'd be like as a leader. The second part is about your leadership strengths, and now you're talking your motivation. All right, section 7, 8, and 9, identify the best of the best. Don't just tell me what kind of a leader you think would be the best of the best. Tell me about people you've worked for, or people that you've known or seen or followed that you have seen as being better than the average. More than one person has asked me, can you use more than one person for a different area? Yeah, sure. But what you're looking for is to identify the things that would make a leader that you should follow, and also what might make you a leader to follow in your own regard. Mentors. Talk about mentorship. And do you want to participate as a mentee or a mentor? Why? Why not? But one of the things I want you to stress here is, what could you gain from working with a mentor? What do you need? And then also, as a mentor, what could you provide to someone else? The final part of this plan is the time frame. This should be times. In other words, by this date, I will do this. Now, you know that in June of 2021, you're going to graduate, so you have a time. But what other time frame should you put in there? Give this a shot, figure it out. Now, that covers everything I wanted you to know. If you have any direct questions, you can contact me. I hope you're having a great day. Take care.